Now we'll make Finnish Christmas pastries, joulutortut. I have here about half a pound of prunes, then I have half a cup of water. Let them boil and add 2 tablespoons, big ones, of sugar. After 15-20 minutes they will be very soft and mushy, so make them even more mushy with the hand mixer. I added a little bit of water there to have more jam-like texture. This time I'm doing the quick and dirty way, so I'm using a ready-made puff pastry. This is for a pie and it's done with butter. So I'll add some flour there, it wants to stick to the table of course, so adding a little bit of flour and then making it a bit bigger, because I like these Christmas tarts or Christmas pastries to be thin, not so thick as many do them, very thick ones. These are more like in my home they are made. A special cut needs to be made, so this means that you'll need to cut not the corners, but you want to leave one edge of the one tip not so sharp, so that it won't burn in the oven. Easier is to make several at once and cut them all in series, because it's very typical to make the cut in the wrong space. That's why we have ready-made mold in Finland, to just cut them with a mold. Here comes the secret to how to keep them together. We'll separate the egg yolk and egg white. So egg white will be the this will be the glue. So using the egg white, brush all the corners that need to be closed. So this will act like glue and they will stick together. Add about a couple of teaspoons of prune jam that you just made on the center, and when you have added that on the center of all the pieces, lift all the sharp edges to the middle and leave the not so sharp ones down. Now there, I made an error. It's so easy to make an error in this. So sharp ones up, like that. And they will actually keep shut, because I added that egg white. Don't use whole egg, only the egg white for this. We'll use the egg yolk later. Of course there's extra pastry, so I will be using that for some more, making some more of these, of course. So here what we do with the egg yolk. We'll need to brush the pastries before oven, but with the yolk. If it if there's not so much of it, just add a little bit of water. It will be quite well. Depending on the oven, it will be around 10 or 12 minutes in 440 Fahrenheit. When they're browning, let them brown also in the middle. So this much prune jam I had leftovers, but I can use it, for example, in a yogurt. And they are ready. It's time to eat. Merry Christmas! Hyvää joulua!